Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tom's Stories. Today is a beautiful summer day. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. Tom is standing outside his house. He is ready for a big adventure today. Tom has a great plan for today. He wants to visit the city zoo. Tom loves animals very much. He feels so much joy today. It is a wonderful morning to go out and see the world. Now Tom is at the big zoo entrance. The gates are very tall and green. He sees many families and happy children. There are colorful flowers everywhere. Tom walks to the gate. He is very happy to be here. Tom buys a ticket at the small window. "One ticket for the zoo, please," says Tom. The lady at the desk smiles at him. She gives Tom a colorful map of the zoo. Tom says thank you and looks at the map. First, Tom visits the giraffes. They're incredibly tall. They have very long necks and beautiful brown spots. The giraffes are eating green leaves from a high tree. Tom looks up and waves his hand. Nature is amazing. Next, he goes to see the monkeys. The monkeys are very funny and active. They jump from one tree to another. One small monkey is eating a yellow banana. Tom laughs because the monkeys are playing games. It is very fun. Tom sees the elephants now. They are very big and gray. The elephants are playing with water using their long trunks. They are washing themselves. One elephant splashes water in the air. Tom thinks it looks very cool and refreshing. In a small blue lake, Tom sees many pink flamingos. They are very elegant birds. They like to stand on only one leg. Their pink color is very bright and beautiful. Tom watches them for a long time. It is a hot summer day in the zoo. Tom feels a little hungry and warm. He finds a bright kiosk and buys a big chocolate ice cream. It is cold and delicious. Tom sits in the shade and enjoys his treat. Tom visits the penguins next. They are black and white birds. They swim very fast in the cold blue water. On the land, they walk in a funny way. They look like they are wearing small black suits. Tom smiles at them. Look at the beautiful parrots. They are red, blue, and yellow. They sit on the green branches and talk. They make a lot of noise. One parrot looks at Tom and says, "Hello." Tom laughs and says, "Hello" back. There is a giant turtle on the grass. It is very old and moves very slowly. Tom walks slowly next to the turtle. The turtle has a big, hard shell. It is not in a hurry. Tom is a little tired now. He finds a comfortable bench under a big old tree. He sits down to rest. He looks at his zoo map again. There are still many wonderful animals to see before the day ends. Tom watches a special dolphin show. The dolphins are very smart and friendly. They jump very high out of the water. They do many tricks. Everyone is clapping their hands. Tom is very impressed by the dolphins. The show is over. Tom walks out of the dolphin building. He is still smiling and thinking about the smart dolphins. He continues his walk along a quiet stone path. Suddenly, a beautiful peacock walks across the path. It lives freely in the zoo and likes people. The peacock opens its magnificent tail. The tail is full of bright blue and green colors. Tom thinks it is the most beautiful bird in the world. Before he leaves the zoo, Tom goes to the gift shop. He wants a small souvenir to remember this day. He chooses a small toy giraffe. He holds it in his hands. It was a perfect summer day. The sun is going down now. The summer sky is beautiful pink and orange. Tom walks out of the zoo gates. He feels a lot of joy. He has many stories to tell his mother and father. Animals are our friends, and we must be kind to them. Thank you for watching Tom's Big Adventure at the Zoo. I hope you enjoyed this story. Please subscribe for more English stories with Tom. Goodbye, and see you soon.